Today we talk about how can you find attendance on your Score Planner app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app to find this list on your app. So all you have to do, you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just go above this sign here, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go down, click here on attendance here. You just click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you will find our attendance you have. Like you see here, I have nothing here. So here you record when you were absent. So I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. It's going to show for you here in this list on your School Planner app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.